Welcome to your family add-on instructions. It's important to complete all fields. Please ensure that your student ID number and your email address are correct. You can use either your school email or your personal email. Program name is the name of the program you're taking in school. The program start date is the date you started the program. After completing all the fields, select Next. An important note, the student must also be enrolled in the plans they want to enroll their family members. You may choose to add them to health and dental or just one, but please check with your school to confirm. Choose the family member you wish to add to health, example spouse, child, or children, or leave blank if you're not adding anybody. Choose the family member you wish to add to dental. Again, if blank, don't check anything. Enter all the family members, legal names, and date of births. Then select Next. Please read the terms and conditions as it has very important information for you to know. Then check the Agree To box, select Submit. You will receive an email confirmation stating that you have applied to add your family members. You must keep this email as proof that you are applying to add your family members. Note, please check your junk mail. Once approved, you will receive another email with the total cost and a link to where you must pay the fees. You should receive this email within about 2 weeks of your application. And attention, the deadline in this email is important, as if not paid by the deadline, your family will not be added to the health and dental plan.